considered one of the most popular root vegetables worldwide. The carrot is undoubtedly a powerhouse food, whether eaten raw or cooked. This sweet vegetable is an integral part of every meal. But did you know that drinking carrot juice daily can be more advantageous than having 1 or 2 carrots a day? The simple fact that carrot juice is derived from a minimum of 3 or 4 carrots makes it even healthier. If you flip any diet plan on its head, you will definitely find yourself consuming carrots. This juice is packed with nutrients and other essential minerals like manganese, potassium, vitamin K and many more. Carrot juice beneficial for health. Carrot juice is a blessing for our body, as it cures a number of ailments. Let's take a look at the benefits of drinking juice of this memory daily. -1, it lowers cholesterol. Do your cholesterol levels keep fluctuating? Try drinking a carrot juice that is much better than commercial products that boast of having 0% fat. The potassium present in carrot fiber can lower cholesterol levels, thus reducing the risk of heart disorders. 2, helps in blood clotting. Carrot juice has vitamin K, which helps in blood clotting, preventing blood loss and speeding up the healing process. 3, improves immunity and controls heart disease. You won't believe it, but consuming a glass of carrot juice regularly can in quality boost your immunity. Also helps to keep your heart healthy. Carrots are a rich source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, making them effective in warding off germs. The abundance of vitamin A in carrot juice can prevent the onset of heart disease and stroke. Vitamin A also keeps the lining of internal organs healthy to prevent them from becoming infected with pathogenic organisms. 4, prevents cancer. Carrot juice also acts as an anti-cancer agent. It has been seen that increased intake of carotenoids in carrot juice decreases cases of bladder, prostate, colon and breast cancer. 5, reduces infections. Our body is exposed to millions of germs and infections on a daily basis. Carrot juice can help prevent and get rid of infections, both internal and external, due to its antiviral and disinfectant properties. Its oral application treats internal infections developed in the mouth, throat, stomach, intestine, urinary tract and colon. Carrot juice also helps reduce coughs and colds, flu, bronchitis, mumps, measles, rashes, sores, wrists, psoriasis and more. 6, muscle growth. We all know that the sole purpose of weight loss is to lose excess fat in our body, which can be easily achieved by consuming carrot juice. Vitamin A helps our body even gain after a strenuous workout and aids in muscle growth. Phosphorus in carrot juice builds, repairs and maintains muscle. 7, increases metabolism. Carrot juice contains a large amount of vitamin B, which helps break down glucose, fat and protein. It helps in building muscle and increasing metabolism, thus aiding in weight loss. Vitamin B complex also helps reduce stress and depression, which usually deters weight loss. The phosphorus in carrot juice increases the body's metabolic rate, ensures optimal use of energy in the body and decreases soreness after a workout. 8, controls sugar levels. We all know that falling prey to diabetes can increase your weight. However, drinking carrot juice can balance our sugar levels. Magnesium, manganese and carotenoids present in carrot juice can stabilize sugar levels and help reduce weight gained due to diabetes. Carotenoids are known to inversely affect insulin resistance, thus reducing blood sugar levels. 9, it is used for skin whitening. It may be surprising, but carrot juice can make your skin to have some lighter tones. All you have to do is take some carrot juice and add a teaspoon of honey to it, apply it on your face and neck and rub it in slowly. Add a pinch of soda to the water and wash your face with this water after 20 minutes. 10, helps hair growth. Drinking carrot juice regularly can make your tresses beautiful and healthy. It helps hair growth and prevents dandruff on the scalp. 11, fights aging. Carrot juice can slow down the aging process. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, reduces cell degeneration and thus slows down aging. It greatly improves the amount of collagen in the skin, which keeps it firm and healthy. This helps maintain elasticity and reduces visible signs of aging such as sagging skin and wrinkles. 12, prevents acne. Instead of using many of commercial products, you can get rid of that stubborn acne by going the natural way. Just include carrot juice in your daily schedule and see the difference. Because it is high in essential vitamins, carrot juice helps prevent acne by detoxifying your body. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Are you interested in receiving more health videos? Subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell to receive our tips every day.